Hi guys, Neha here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are here to talk about Nykaa's latest launch, which is the Get Set Matte Demi Matte lipsticks, and they are in the form of a millennial playbook. Let me just show you what this looks like. This is like a book that they've sent. This is what we have inside. We have a bookmark as well. So they've come up with 12 new shades, and all the shades are named after like millennial lingo, which we have right here. So we have names like Bay, we have like Lit, Bounce, Goat, all of these kind of millennial lingo. So that's their concept for this launch. So without further ado, let's get right to the swatches.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, low lights, out of sight, long way, so in, say it again,
So let's go through the claims that we have over here. It is a soft demi matte. It gives you intense color payoff, like you saw in one swipe. It was pretty intense. It is emollient in the way, yes, it is oily in a sense. It has that oiliness and that sheen, and that does transfer. After a while you would be left with way less sheen and way less color, but that's just how the formula is. It's a demi matte. It does not dry down, it does not stay like this. This is what it looks like after 6 hours. This one that I was wearing for the last 6 to 7 hours, you can see that the color is still there, but it has completely worn off from the center, and there is like hardly any color. I have eaten 2 meals, I've even had ice cream, so it's not like I've just not done anything. Of course, this is not a matte formula. It is a demi matte, and it has a sheen to it as well. So when you talk, when you eat, of course it's going to transfer. It has faded, but like you can see, the color is still there, and it has not crossed the lip line, which is something that happens with a lot of softer lipsticks. At least in my opinion, that has happened with me, which is why I mostly prefer wearing completely matte lipsticks that's set. It is fragrance free, yes, and it does feel very weightless and comfortable on the lips. It feels like a lip balm, honestly. It's not like I don't feel anything. I do feel something, but it's like a lip balm. I really like the shade range, and the pigmentation is really nice, and so are the names. It's very cool and funky and really relatable. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and drop down a comment and tell me which is your favorite shade. I am planning to do a giveaway. Do not forget to follow me on Insta. I do a lot of different type of content there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you later. Bye.